I'm going to tell you about PowerLogic PFC in 60 seconds. Transformers, motors, lighting ballasts, induction heaters, furnaces, welders. All inductive loads, producing reactive power, causing reduced electrical capacity and power losses. PowerLogic PFC is an intelligent, self-monitoring power factor correction solution. It easily connects to software for asset performance monitoring, and it's EcoStruxure ready. But the real financial impact is hidden in your electricity bills. Every month, utilities charge you for bad power factor. The PowerLogic PFC can eliminate these charges, saving you money year after year. Easy to install, the benefits are immediate, the payback, fast. Improve the efficiency of your electrical system. Erase power factor charges. That's PowerLogic PFC in 60 seconds.